This is question number 4 in Practice Your New Skills on page 33. In this question, we're told that a business is buying paintbrushes from a supplier in cases of 6, and one case costs $31.29. Our question here is how much do 2 brushes cost? So we know that it costs $31.29 to get 6 brushes, but we just want to have 2 brushes. So we just multiply this by 2 brushes. And because we've got brushes on the top here and on the bottom of our equation, they cancel out, and we're just going to be left with dollars, which is what we want. And so we're going to go 31.29 times 2, all divided by 6. And when we do that, we get an answer of $10.43. So that's how much it costs for 2 brushes. Okay, now our next question: if a customer buys 2 or more cases, the supplier reduces the price by 10%. So how much would 3 cases of paintbrushes cost? And then how much would each brush cost? So a couple things here. So if they buy 2 or more cases, it's reduced by 10%. So they're getting 3 cases, so their price is going to be reduced by 10%. So we want to have 3 cases times the cost per case, which is $31.29. We're going to figure out what that is first. And we get $93.87. And then we're going to multiply that by 10% to see how much we're saving. And I've converted 10% to decimal. So if you remember, 10%, that's the same as 10 over 100. And 10 divided by 100 is 0.10. Okay, so that's why I put 0.10 in here. When we do that, we get an answer of $9.387. We're going to round that to 9.39. And now we have to subtract that from our costs that we just calculated. So 93.87 minus $9.39. And our answer there is $84.48. So that's how much it's going to cost for 3 cases after a 10% discount, and this is not including tax. Then we're asked how much would each brush cost. So we're going to go $84.48 divided by the total number of brushes. So there's 3 cases and there's 6 brushes in each case. So 3 times 6 is 18. So there's 18 brushes total. So when we go 84.48 divided by 18, we're going to get our cost per brush, which is $4.69 per brush. And that's our answer for the second part of the question.